In this video I will show you how to create a clipping mask in Photoshop. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Alt press drag the copy this layers. Follow these process. Select the all this shape layer. Right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Unhide this image layer. Alt press Create a clipping mask. Select the shape layer. Right click and choose Blending option. Click on Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Click on Stroke. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.